but what our expectation is that crude will continue its uptrend. Let us see what happened yesterday. After the price opened around the zone, see, it consolidated a while and it took the resistance at 5360. See here, you can see that clearly it took the resistance here and it dropped down, and again there is a consolidation. This is not a clear drop. There is some buying which is supporting this zone, and it tested the resistance again. 5360 was tested again. And also one more thing you should note is that the price is not going above the opening. The price is staying just at with the resistance and just below the opening. Then it came down and tested this support very clearly with the support of the moving average, and again it break this resistance. The resistance was broken and it tested this 5380, which is the zone which we mentioned, which is going to be the key zone which can decide the trend, and it is closed around 5360. On considering the closing and the opening, we can say it is a neutral. But when we see the trade actions, you can see there is a lot of support buying happening around this zone 5340 and this zone, and we can consider it tested a low and then it closed higher, and then again also it is going to be very close zone. On considering or seeing the yesterday's price action, it is not very clear that we cannot take a very clear decision to say that today we can go for a buy or sell. It is not a clear decision which we are going to take for today. This type of trading which we called a mixed trend or the decision zone. What we call the decision zone is a zone where we can expect both buying and selling, but it is the zone where we can take advantage and pick the trend. So this is the decision zone. 5360 and 5380 is going to be the decision zone, and today we are expecting crude to open more or less near this zone. If the crude is opening around 5003, above 5380, so it's well and good. It is above the previous day's high, so if the opening is higher, we can say that crude is clearly in the buy trend. Since today's opening is also near the zone, it is a very crucial thing that we cannot completely say or we cannot confirm that crude is going to break the crude is 100% going to be an uptrend or downtrend, but it can favor uptrend today unless until this 5320 holds good. So what we are going to do is that we are going to watch this 5320 support very carefully. This should be the zone for crude oil, so that it can take a support here and it can break this major zone, and if there is any closing above this, it is going to be a very clear buy for crude oil. And also one more thing we can say is that from February 29th till today we are seeing this zone again and again. That means something big is going to happen. The big can be, if the price is going to break above this zone, you can expect some 200-300 points above this, or if there is any price closing below this, it is going to be dangerous for the buyers and you can expect a huge drop also. So whenever the market is consolidating in a particular area, it gives us an opportunity so that we can pick the trend at the bottom rather than going above and buying. So what we are expecting today is that crude will continue its uptrend, or we can say that crude can favor uptrend rather than saying it can continue, because yesterday is a consolidation. We can say that crude can favor uptrend. Just watch this 5320 support very carefully. Please don't trade without a stop loss, because if there is any closing below this, you can see a very drastic price movement. So we advise traders, whenever the market is consolidating, it may look as if it is very slow, but placing a stop loss and trading can help you to protect your loss. So kindly apply the stop loss, and we expect that the crude will favor buying. So watch this level carefully. If the price is going to break 5380, you can very well expect 5420 and 5460. This is the zone we can expect that, but only if it should break this zone and stay above that. And if there is any closing below this, it is going to be dangerous for buyers. So let us see what's going to happen today in the trading sessions. So thank you for watching this video and take care. Bye.